Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will just be showing you how I did my makeup in my passport photo. I will have the names of all the products I used and the shades and everything down below, but right now I'm just filling in my brow. I'm using a NYX pencil type of thing. Again, I'll list everything down below, and I'm just using this to fill in my brows. It looks extremely messy right now, but don't worry, I am going to clean them up with some concealer. And when you have harsh brows, you just want to make sure to kind of thin out the front so it doesn't look crazy. I'm taking this concealer and I'm going to be using a flat brush. I don't know the name of the brush. I literally just buy brushes when I see them. But I'm using this concealer to clean up my brows. And I'm bringing the concealer down onto my eyelids to act as an eyeshadow base. You'll see later that I only use one eyeshadow, but I like to bring it down and blend it down just so it looks seamless and it doesn't look like too light for my face. Next, I am taking this NYX finishing powder and I'm going to be blotting this all over the oily parts of my face. So my nose, my mustache area, my forehead, my eyelids, around my mouth. Those areas get extremely oily on my face, so I put powder under my foundation to help control the oil. These are the two foundations that I'll be using. They are Maybelline Fit Me, and I am 2 shades. So I just take those 2 shades and I mix them on my face. I blot them on my face with my fake beauty blender, and then I just start blending it with the beauty blender all over my face. Usually I color correct, but I was running very late for work and I still needed to take my passport photos, so I skipped the color correcting. That's why you can still see my acne under my foundation, but that's okay. That is okay. Now I am using the 2 darkest shades on the bottom half of ItsMyRayeRaye's eyeshadow and contour highlight palette, and I will be using those 2 dark shadows, those 2 dark contour shades to contour my face. Make sure when you do contour that you blend extremely well, because you do not want harsh lines made after you contour. You want to make sure that it literally looks like those shadows are on your face and your nose is snatched and your cheekbones are high. So make sure you blend. I will be using another brown shade in the same palette just to add a little color to my eyelids. I wanted to make sure that this look looked extremely natural, so I went for brown. I know I don't have to explain this. This is pretty self-explanatory, but I did want to come on here and apologize for my nose being all up in the camera. This is extremely unflattering, and I'll have the same face when I'm doing mascara. I am sorry, guys. This is my favorite mascara. It's the Max Fantastic by Wet n Wild. I actually bought it in a set from CVS, and it came with a whole bunch of mascaras, and this one was the absolute best. I have yet to find it by itself. I've been searching everywhere, but anyways, this is a really good drugstore mascara. If you do happen to find it, buy it. It is so good. Now I am highlighting my cheekbones and my nose with French Toast. I know that shade. That's my favorite highlighter in this palette. I think it looks so natural and it's so pretty. So here I am just highlighting my cheekbones, and you'll see me do my nose as well. y'all don't come for me, this is my favorite lip duo. That is the NYX Cookies and Cream Lip Duo and the orange color corrector from LA Girl. You just outline your lips with the Cookies and Cream, the darkest shade in the Cookies and Cream, and then in the inner part of your lips you'll just dab the orange corrector on it, and it looks a little crazy, but once you rub it in, it looks extremely natural. It's so pretty. It's like the perfect nude. And I'm pretty much done. I'm just blending out any harsh lines that I see. I can see some concealer still not fully blended on top of my eyebrows, and I completely forgot to set my face. Here I am setting my face, trying not to disturb any of the other makeup. But yeah, again, my face is very oily, so I have to make sure that I set my face with powder. If you do follow this tutorial, just make sure you practice smizing before you get to your passport center, because my passport looks like a mugshot. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.